Hi everyone, and welcome to Instagram. As you know, at Instagram we aim at giving people the power to build a community and bring the world closer together. Since our start, we have lived by our own creed and grown a lot. By now we have 1.4 billion users, in which 70% of them are under 35 years old. So allow me to ask you a question. Raise your hand if you have an Instagram account. As expected, all arms went up, no doubt. Now let me ask you something different. Who posts content regularly or shares images with friends? Please raise your hand. As expected, no arms go up. We gave our users the tools to build a community, but yet the majority of users do not contribute with content to the community. Instead, they consume more. Through our additional survey, we identified that 68% of 56 users would like to contribute more to Instagram by sharing pictures. By interviewing users, we tried to understand what motivates them. The main reason why users do not contribute are the following: lack of time, lack of motivation to make nice pictures, afraid that the pictures they post are not beautiful, and do not want to be in the spotlight of all followers. So as users want to contribute to the community, we aimed at overcoming their pain points through our latest feature. Meet Instagram Together. Instagram Together allows you and your friends to do the following. It allows you to share images with friends in an organized manner through groups, and it also allows you to post content together as a group. With these two features combined, you will be able to share pictures with friends in no time and with ease. Let's show you our prototype that we created and tested with real users. Instagram Together will be incorporated directly in our Instagram app. Our shared album function can be found in the top row. When clicking on it, you will see all the shared albums you are already in. To create a new album, you can easily click on Add New Album. Here you can set up the album and invite your friends. This will be directly added to the albums, where you can upload and access pictures directly, all in high quality. To share a picture in your Instagram feed, you can directly select it from the shared album and press post. As usual, you can modify your post, adjust the picture, and so on. In this post, I will add my friend Finn. Let's press post and we are ready to go. Now let's switch to Finn's perspective. He just got a notification. When clicking on the notification tab, we can see that I tagged him in the picture. Within this notification, he can directly select repost to share this picture in his feed without any effort. So let's do it. When going back to his Instagram start screen, we can see that the image is also now shared in his and my feed. Both of our followers can see the content. Comments and likes come simultaneously. Through our new feature, we want to build on our existing creed and give you the tools to bring you closer to the people you love. In order to do this, we need a solid business model that integrates into the Instagram feature ecosystem. First, we identified our customer segment. Users who would like to share more content but lack the motivation, don't like the spotlight of posting content, or don't have content. The customer relationship is amongst the community, the groups of friends, and the Instagram social network. For the channels, these are going to be the Instagram application and web app, which are already installed in more than 1.4 billion devices. For the value proposition, we identified the following: bringing the people closer together while making the post sharing faster, easier, and more comfortable. For the key activities, we identified the app and web development and maintenance, also enhancing user experience, and finally securing the data for the user. Key resources for the future are going to be the user's data, advertisers, and network. For key partners, we identified the following. The core partner is going to be the parent company Meta. Also, other partners are necessary to promote the features, such as influencers, and third-party applications such as the App Store and the Android Store, allowing the app in their app stores. For the cost structure, we identified the extension of server capacity, server and data maintenance and upgrades that will have to be done in the app for the future to work, development of the feature, and marketing cost. Last but not least, revenue streams. Revenue from advertisement. Through user data, we know what customers want and therefore can directly target them with advertisement. And also revenue through Instagram Shop generated sales. While building our business model, we use detailed metrics along the AARRR framework to build our launch strategy. For acquisition, we have the following metrics: visiting the Instagram shared album functions, and the send out post directly notifications. For activation metrics, we have the number of first created shared albums and the number of tagged people in posts who reposted directly. Retention metrics are the following as well: ratio of users having shared albums to the ones who do not, and the retention of monthly users who repost content. For the referral metrics, we have the net promoter score, the number of clicks on add to shared album, and the number of people in tagged images. The revenue metric is the average revenue per user and the ads to conversion rate through Instagram app. We should not rest on our success and instead refine our product to reach our goal, giving people the power to build a community and bring the world closer together. So let's build this new feature, Instagram Together, to strengthen our community. Thank you for your attention.